Hello, Math 8, welcome. Nice to see you, kind of. So I'm going to be teaching you math this year. I'm excited to do so. My name is right here. It's Mr. Wodge, rhymes with Dodge, okay? And you'll find me in room 311. 311 is where I'll be. Now, you will not be coming to see me during the first week of the second quarter. You're going to be online for, 8 days or something like that? So I just wanted to send this quick video and let you know kind of a little bit about how the year is going to go and everything. Okay, so here's your book. Lovely crabs on there, written by a man named Ray Mickelson. So hopefully you came and picked this up from me already. You're going to be doing some work in this during the online portion of the course. If you haven't, please come and see me and I'll get it to you. Also, please pay for it if you haven't paid for it. Also, when you pick that up, I'll also give you a bunch of papers that you're going to use during the online portion as well, and I'll explain that in a second. So here's how I'm going to be teaching you. Of course, I'm going to be using Teams. Okay, I'll be sending you messages and everything. I also have my own website. It's called wodgemath.ca, and I'll be posting all the videos and everything there that you're going to need. I'll also be posting them on Teams, so you can exclusively use Teams and it's fine. Or if you want to explore wodgemath.ca, there'll be stuff there for you. And also I have my own YouTube channel where I'll be putting the videos as well. So whichever one appeals to you the most, this is where you're going to find all the videos. So basically what's going to happen for each of the days that you're not at school, so for the days that you're working online, there'll be an assignment. And the assignment will have two parts. First part will be you're going to watch a video. So I will send you a link to the video for you to watch, right? Now when you're watching that video, it's going to be me doing something just like I'm doing here. You're going to hear my voice. You won't be able to see me. I know in this one you can see me. Kind of weird. I'm not really a big fan of that. But, you know, first time you've seen me, I wanted to make sure you could see me and everything. But for the other videos, you won't see me, and you'll see me writing stuff down. I'm going to give you a package of papers, and you can write down the notes if you want. Not a bad idea. As I'm giving you notes on the video, you could write them down. But that's actually not your homework. The homework will be something either in your workbook or on a worksheet, which I'll get you to do. And what I'm hoping is, whoops, sorry for my writing, you'll see I'm not the greatest writer. The video should always take between 10 and 15 minutes. Now, I say always, but there is a couple that'll take between 15 and 20. I'm sorry for those rare videos that are longer than 15 minutes. Try to keep them closer to 10 minutes though. So you're going to watch your video, 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're going to do some work in your workbook or worksheet, and I'm hoping that'll take you about 20 minutes to half an hour. So you're looking at a total of a maximum of 45 minutes every day. Not weekends, just on school days, okay? Any day that you're going to school in your other class, you should be coming home or before you go to school, do 45 minutes of math as well. And I'm going to expect you to do it, okay? I had mixed success with my grade 9s last quarter, where most of them did awesome work in class, like so good, I was so proud. And then they'd go home for online, and many of them would do next to nothing. And their mark really suffered because of it. I don't have time. I'm sorry. We have so many things to get through. I can't be teaching everything over again when you come back. So please do the work at home. If you have questions, don't wait till you get back in class to ask me. I'll talk about later about how you can reach me. But reach out to me and ask me what your questions are, and I'll be there to help. All right. Thought I would quickly go through the outline. I'll send this to you. But basically, this is an outline for the course. There's 4 criteria in math. They are knowledge and understanding, investigating patterns, communicating, and applying mathematics in real-life context. So I'll be assessing you in those 4 areas in this course. The workbook, I already showed you a picture of it. It is $25. If you haven't paid for it already, could you please do so online? That'd be awesome. Or take your money to the office if you need to. When you come to class, please bring a pencil and eraser. Ruler would be great, but it's not essential. Scientific calculator, I'd love it if you could get one. You'll use it all through high school, all the way to grade 12 if you get a scientific one. You'll know it's scientific if you see the 3 buttons: sin, it's actually pronounced sine, tan, and cos. Okay, if you can find a calculator, and you can find these at London Drugs and Staples and Costco and stuff like that. You can get good ones for like $9, $10, $8 if you're lucky. You can also go to the dollar store. Might be able to get one for more like $2 or $3. Might not be as high quality, but we'll do the job. So what we're going to cover this year, we will definitely cover the following things. We'll start the year by looking at integers just for a short amount of time. Super important though, like I could actually say it's maybe the most important thing, but we won't spend too long on that. We will spend quite a bit of time on fractions. Then we'll talk about percents, ratios, and rates, square roots and exponents, and along with that comes the Pythagorean theorem, and linear equations. Okay, so we'll definitely get to all those things. Things I'd love to get to, and I would if it was a regular year, but I just don't know if I can do it this year. Surface area and volume, probability, and three-dimensional representations. The reason I might not get to these things is because if we don't get to these things this year, it's not going to hurt you too much. It won't hurt you really at all in grade 9. If I don't get to any of these things up here, it's going to be a real problem in grade 9. So I've got to get through all those things in our 10-week period. So I'll be putting up assignments. Remember, I'll be watching a video and doing some work every school day. When you're working online, expect to see them every day. In fact, I'll probably put them all up at one go, and then you can work through them at your own pace. You might want to work ahead. Some people do. But you'll probably see suddenly on your teams, you'll have about, I don't know, 8 different assignments will just go up, boom, 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 all at once. And that'll be all the assignments that you need to get done during the online portion. If you need help, I'm always in my room. Well, not always, but almost always. Monday to Thursday, I'll be in here from 10:30 to 1 p.m. I don't usually eat lunch. I know it's not good. I'm sorry, Mom. But, I'm here. Come see me in room 311. And, of course, you can email me, send me a message on Teams. And if you want to, I can even set up a private channel on Teams, and we can do a video chat, and I can help you. Don't hesitate to reach out, okay? Even if it's at 10 o'clock at night, send me a message. If I'm sleeping, I won't get back to you. But once I'm awake and I see the message, I will get back to you. Don't feel like there's a right time that you have to send me a message. As soon as you're confused, upset, disappointed, have questions, send me a message. All right, everyone, I think that's it. So I look forward to actually meeting you in person, and work hard. My big things are you work hard and you will be rewarded, and be responsible. So those two things, you can't help but succeed in this course. Take care. Bye.